So, the puppies are here, so I'm going to show you the puppy. The puppy. Hello. Hello, the Kadoobie. Hello. This is my puppy. Kadoobie knows how to do a lot. She's smart. I'm going to show you the kabaddi. Say hello to Buddy. Is the Buddy the cutest, or is the Ruby the cutest? Tell me now. Which one do you think is the cutest? This one? The evil weevil dude? Right here? Or do you think that the Kadoobie is the cutest? Because she is mine. Oh, look at the Buddy. I am the Buddy. The Buddy. Hello, Buddy. Are you excited? Buddy, that's not very pleasant. Oh, the Buddy is tired. Why is the Buddy so tired? I just am. Okay, well, we have to go, so if you like it, then comment, so bye-bye.